Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the highway network in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica has two main routes that highways run in Jamaica. We're not talking about the old highways that are just like regular roads, but they call them highways. We're talking about these super highways, like the road we're driving on now. This is Highway 2000. This road takes you from Kingston to Montego Bay, and it runs through the inland of Jamaica. It doesn't run on the coast, it runs through the inland. And we have the highways in Jamaica, the modern highways that we're building now, the new Jamaican Highway Network in Jamaica. You have highways that run around the coast of Jamaica, and then you have another highway system that runs through the inland of Jamaica. So Highway 2000 runs through the inland of Jamaica, and that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay and then Kingston to Ocho Rios. It also has a piece that takes you over to Portmore. That's Highway 2000. Now you have on the coast another highway system that's interconnected. On the northern coast you have the Northern Coastal Highway. That takes you from Port Antonio to Negril. And then on the south coast, you have the Southern Coastal Highway, which will take you from Kingston to Port Antonio, where it meets the Northern Coastal Highway. And then it's going to take you from Negril back to Manchester, running on the south coast. So you can drive around Jamaica on a proper highway, a modern highway, when all these roads are finished. Now, there's a big difference between the coastal highway and the highway that runs through the inland. The coastal highways are free. They're built by the Jamaican government through the budget of Jamaica, meaning they don't have any foreign company financing it. The highways that run through the inland of Jamaica, those are toll roads. Highway 2000 is a toll road, and you have to pay. And this is the highway that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay, or that will run from Kingston to Montego Bay when finished. And this is the Maypen Toll Plaza. But the highways that run on the coast, you don't have any toll plazas. They are free. That's one major difference. Now, all these major roads are being built by China Harbour Engineering Company. As of today, they are the main contractor to build these highways. I think they're the only contractor to build these highways. Now, they get the contract, but then they subcontract out certain sections to local contractors, but that doesn't seem to be going very well on the Southern Coastal Highway, the section that runs from Kingston to Port Antonio. But we have videos up, you can search for those videos and see what's going on. But we're just talking about the major highway networks in Jamaica now. So the coast now, the highway that runs on the coast, the Northern Coastal Highway and the Southern Coastal Highway, though that highway connects all the main towns in the Jamaica, because most of the main towns in Jamaica, or the capitals of the parishes, are on the coast. And that's because Jamaica is an island. And when these towns were being formed or developed, everything was done via ship. So you would find the ports were the busiest places in Jamaica. So you found that most of the parish capitals are on the coast. Most of the main towns are on the coast. So you have a lot of major towns, a lot of activity happening on the coast. And so that's why the coastal highways were built. Now, the Highway 2000 that runs through the island, that highway was built with two ideas in mind. One, to connect both major international airports in Jamaica, that's the one in Kingston the Norman Manley International Airport, to the one in Montego Bay, which is the Sangster International Airport. Also, Kingston is the capital of Jamaica and the largest city. Montego Bay is the second city in Jamaica, so this highway also connects both major cities. And then they wanted persons to get to the tourist attractions quickly and easily in Jamaica. So that's why they built a leg of Highway 2000 from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And in Ocho Rios you find all the major tourist attractions. So that was the premise behind that road. Now, Highway 2000, which is the road we're on, is a 4-lane dual carriageway. Very nice road. This is what you'd call a super highway in Jamaica. This was the first highway of this kind built in Jamaica, with the 4 lanes, the dual carriageway, and this is the model for which all other highways have been built or are being built. Now this road, it's very expensive to build, so they got foreign investors to come in and build the road, and the Jamaican government gave them a concession to collect toll on the road to pay back for the building of the road. So basically what they said was, build the road and you collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road, and when you finish collecting the toll, like this road, the concession was 35 years. After the 35 years, Jamaica owns the road. So the person said yes, they came in and they built the road and they're collecting the toll. Now recently, the company that operates this highway was bought out and went public, but we'll get into that in another video. We're just talking about the highway structure. So this highway currently runs from Kingston to Maypen, and we're coming to the end of the highway here, the finished section. But it's going to run all the way to Montego Bay or St. James, and it's being built in phases. So the Maypen, the Mandeville phase is being built, and if you look straight ahead, you can see it's under construction, and that phase is going to finish early next year, and then they'll build another phase, and they'll keep building it out until they get to Montego Bay. So Jamaica has 2 very nice highway systems. The coastal highways, the Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Port Antonio to Negril. It's finished, it's 2 lanes, it's going to be expanded soon. And then you have the Southern Coastal Highway, which is going to run from Kingston to Port Antonio, connect with the Northern Coastal Highway, and then run from Negril to Manchester. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.